Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a reminder in Google Calendar. This is a simple way to keep track of important tasks and make sure nothing gets forgotten. Let's get started. On your Google Calendar dashboard, let's say we already have a meeting and we want to add a reminder to it. All we need to do is click the meeting, then click the event. Right away, we can see the notifications section. From here, we can set the reminder for 30 minutes before the meeting. We can also set it by hours. For example, we can choose 1 hour before or even 2 hours before the meeting. Once we're happy with the settings, we just click Save. Now, if we want to create a brand new event and add a reminder to it, let's go ahead and create a sample event. We just need to click More Options, and we will see the reminder section appear before the event. And that's how we create a reminder in Google Calendar.